everyone, my name is Sidnam Balik and you're watching Balik Robotics. So, in today's video, we are going to start CNN. And in CNN, our first topic is what is convolution? So, in today's video, we are going to learn what is convolution and how can we perform it. So, without wasting much time, let's jump to the video. Okay, so what is convolution? If maybe you have studied in high school that it is a mathematical term to describe the process of combining two functions to produce a third. So basically, this is a very bookish term. So basically, what convolution does, it just is add this and this. It add two things to make third thing. Okay. In CNN, how we use CNN convolution? So in our situation, we say that the output which we have, we will refer it as a feature map. And when we use a matrix, which we call filter or kernel, and the image which we send as an input is the function. So function is the image which input we give the input, and kernel or filter is the uh, thing which we are going to multiply or plus, and then output we will call feature map. So how this feature map will work on the function? Before it, we will study that how can a kernel can work on an image. So you have studied that an image is the combination of red, green, and blue arrays like R, G, and B. So for each RGB, there are some value like this. Okay. So in convolution, what we do, like we take a red, green, and blue matrices, and then we multiply this kernel to all of them, and then we take the add-ons. So let's see how the kernel works. Wait. Yeah. So take this. So let's say this gray box, this is our input or the function, and this is the output or a feature map, and this is the kernel. So you say that when we put a convolution kernel on our function, then in feature map we got one output like this, and this convolution kernel will work like this. Let me do zoom it for you. This. Okay, and so on. Then this will work for all over the function and make a feature map. Now you will say that random, but what this kernel is doing on the feature map, on the function to make a feature map. So this is an example. Here we make a kernel here. So this is a 3 by 3 kernel. So in the kernel, there is some values 1 1 1 0 0 minus minus. These kernel value can be different according to different approach. Generally it is like 1 1 1 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So here in 3 by 3 kernel, what they do, like 1 just multiply by 2, and 3 multiply by 0. So you just multiply each values and then add, like 2 1 is 2, 3 0 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So it just multiply and add on, and then we receive a value 3. Like this, when this kernel move ahead, then this will give one value, then when down, then this, and so while moving this kernel, we get the value 3 minus 5 2 minus 3. So this is how our kernel works. Once more for your better understanding. Wait. Yeah. Okay. And let's see. Okay. So this is our case. We 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 take a 3 by 3 kernel on 4 by 4 input. So we go like this and we get a 2 by 2 output. Okay. So I think for now, you know that how the convolution work and how convolution work on CNN. Okay, so once we use CNN on the output function, is like for on the function, and we get a feature map, then we get several features like hands of this, or the hat, or other things, like different parts. And how we get it, we will study in the introduction to CNN. So I hope that you have a good understanding that what is convolution and how it works. So let's see how we can use convolution in CNN in the next video. Until then, bye bye. We'll meet you